Welcome to Fact Nova. Get ready to have your minds blown. You know, the universe is full of mysteries, but today, we're going to explore a different kind of mystery, the mind-blowing facts about our very own planet, and beyond that, we'll leave you questioning everything you thought you knew. Did you know that a day on Venus is longer than its year? Or that water can boil and freeze at the same time? Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through the wonders of the cosmos, one mind-blowing fact at a time. Now let's dive in. Okay, let's kick things off with a cosmic reality check. You've probably heard Earth described as a sphere, right? Well, it turns out that's not entirely accurate. Our planet is what we call an oblate spheroid. Imagine spinning a ball of dough. It flattens slightly at the poles and bulges at the equator. So the next time someone tells you the Earth is round, hit them with some astronomical truth and say, it's an oblate spheroid. Let's talk about water. We all know water can exist as a liquid, solid, ice, and gas, steam, right? But what if I told you it could exist in all three states simultaneously? It sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's a real phenomenon called the triple point. The triple point requires incredibly specific conditions. A precise temperature of 273.16 Kelvin, that's about 0.01 degrees Celsius, and a pressure about 1/100th of what we experience at sea level. Imagine a sealed container with water inside. As we lower the temperature and pressure, the water starts to freeze into ice, but at the same time, some of it vaporizes into gas. At the triple point, all three states, ice, liquid water, and water vapor, coexist in perfect equilibrium. Let's address one of the most persistent myths out there, the idea that you can see the Great Wall of China from space. I hate to break it to you, but that's just not true. Astronauts have confirmed that while in low Earth orbit, where the International Space Station hangs out, the Great Wall is practically invisible to the naked eye. So let's keep it grounded in reality, shall we? You can admire its grandeur from Earth, where it rightfully belongs. Let's take a journey inside your own body, specifically your stomach. This incredible organ works tirelessly to break down your food, but it has a rather corrosive environment to contend with. I'm talking about stomach acid, of course. Stomach acid is powerful stuff. It's strong enough to dissolve some metals. So how does your stomach prevent itself from being digested along with your lunch? Well, it has a remarkable trick up its sleeve: regeneration. Your stomach lining essentially gets a brand new layer of cells every 3 to 4 days. It's constantly regenerating to protect itself from the harsh acidic environment it creates. Get ready for this one because it's about to get illuminating. What if I told you that humans actually glow in the dark? It's true. But before you start imagining yourself as a walking nightlight, let me explain. The human glow is incredibly faint, about 1,000 times weaker than what our eyes can detect. Using specialized cameras, researchers discovered that we emit a faint, visible light, primarily from our faces and chests. The intensity of this glow actually fluctuates throughout the day, peaking in the late afternoon. Let's dive into the ocean and meet one of the most fascinating creatures on Earth, the octopus. These cephalopods are known for their intelligence, their ability to change color, and, oh yeah, their 3 hearts. That's right, you heard that correctly. Octopuses have 3 hearts that work together to pump blood throughout their bodies. It's a remarkable example of evolutionary adaptation, and it just goes to show that the animal kingdom is full of surprises. Let's blast off to our planetary neighbor Venus, a world shrouded in mystery and extreme temperatures. Venus is often called Earth's sister planet due to its similar size and composition, but that's about where the similarities end. Venus is a scorching inferno with a toxic atmosphere, and it has one very peculiar characteristic. A day on Venus is longer than its year. Venus rotates incredibly slowly, taking a whopping 243 Earth days to spin once. This means that a Venusian year, the time it takes to go around the sun, is shorter than a Venusian day. Let's take a break from space for a moment and venture into the world of botany. And trust me, it's just as mind-blowing as exploring distant galaxies, especially when you start talking about bananas and berries. Now I'm about to challenge everything you thought you knew about fruit classification. Are you ready? Bananas are berries, but strawberries are not. I know, it sounds like I'm pulling your leg, but it's scientifically accurate. You see, the botanical definition of a berry is based on the structure of the fruit and how it develops from the flower. So there you have it. A mind-bending fact about fruit that will make you the life of your next picnic. Let's journey back to our cosmic backyard and settle a scorching debate once and for all. Which planet reigns supreme as the hottest in our solar system? If you're thinking Mercury, the planet closest to the sun, you're in for a surprise. It's actually Venus that holds the title of the hottest planet, and it's not even close. While Mercury might seem like the obvious choice, Venus has a secret weapon, its atmosphere. Venus is shrouded in a thick, dense atmosphere composed primarily of carbon dioxide. Temperatures on Venus can soar to a scorching 900 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hot enough to melt lead. Let's end our journey on a heartwarming note with a surprising fact about our bovine friends cows. These gentle giants are often seen as simple grazing animals, but there's more to them than meets the eye. Did you know that cows have best friends? It's true. Studies have shown that cows form strong social bonds with other cows, and they experience stress and anxiety when separated from their closest companions. So, the next time you see a herd of cows grazing peacefully in a field, remember that they're not just a random collection of animals. They're a complex social group with their own unique relationships and friendships. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. The world is full of mind-blowing facts waiting to be discovered, from the depths of our oceans to the farthest reaches of space. If you enjoyed these incredible facts, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Memar Fact Nova for more mind-expanding content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Keep those brains buzzing, keep asking questions, and I'll see you in the next video.